The line, Trojana, Sindala, and Oxagon. This is Neom, Saudi Arabia's vision for the future. It's supposed to be an advanced, sustainable, and futuristic megacity, unlike any other. In October of last year, many trailers and videos about the start of its construction reached millions of people around the world and captured the world's attentions. But somehow, updates regarding its current progress are difficult to find. So, what exactly has been going on? And how much, if any, have they already brought to life? Let's find out. Back in 2021, Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman made a groundbreaking announcement that sparked global interest. He unveiled the Line, a mega project of epic proportions, setting a new benchmark for ambition in the country. The Line was envisioned as a self-sustaining linear city stretched more than 100 kilometers from the Red Sea to the city of Tabuk in the east. The plan for the city consists of two 500-meter-tall buildings that would run parallel to each other. The vision is that everything you need is within walking distance, and the entire city will have 0 cars, 0 roads, and emit 0 emissions. It will be home to 9 million people and will be powered by 100% renewable energy, featuring cutting-edge technologies like high-speed transportation systems and vertical farms. Of course, an announcement like this poked a lot of reactions, and it became one of the most viral mega-projects in the world.
Neom.
Neom. Massive size, 170 kilometers.
No cars, no roads.
Especially after drone footage of excavation work was revealed back in October 2022. However, since that revealing glimpse, updates on the project's progress remain scarce. Fast forward to the present, and the landscape has evolved significantly. How does it look like today? According to the latest information, there has actually been a lot of work done on the Line over the past year. Recent insights from an exclusive interview with the project's executive director revealed that the Line has made substantial strides. Key infrastructure elements, including roads, offices, and logistical hubs, have reached a remarkable 20% completion rate. Satellite imagery now showcases tangible developments along the project's entire length, marking a stark contrast from the previous year. One standout achievement is the transformation of Neom Community 1, now resembling a fully functional city. It boasts hundreds of housing units, educational institutions, places of worship, post offices, convenience stores, and even a Starbucks branch. The once desolate excavation site for the Line's primary structure has witnessed significant progress, with Google Maps allowing a nearly complete trace of its foundation. Notably, work on the coastal section, known as the Hidden Marina, is advancing rapidly. Designed to become the world's largest marina upon completion, the scale of excavation is staggering, with up to 1 million cubic meters of earth being removed each week, making this one of the world's most extensive excavation projects. Concurrently, piling work has commenced for the main structure, exemplified by the installation of more than 4,500 individual piles in Module 43. At its peak, over 60 piles were installed daily, and this pace is set to escalate as construction gears up in the coming months. Additionally, the Line's dedicated underground rail system, the Spine, underwent a significant transformation in June of 2023. The system's scope has been streamlined, with the underground tunneling reduced by more than 30 kilometers and the number of stations reduced from 48 to just 9. Financing for this monumental endeavor primarily relies on Saudi Arabia's Sovereign Wealth Fund, the Public Investment Fund, controlled directly by the Crown Prince, with an estimated sum of $700 billion. Contracts with various companies, including Keller Group from the UK, B from Germany, Esbachi from France, and Power China, have focused primarily on excavation and foundation work. Excitingly, Italian contractor Webwild and Sadis Sago have recently secured the contract to construct a high-speed rail line connecting the Line to Oxagon. The line has attracted global attention for its ambitious vision and innovative design. However, it has also faced criticism, particularly over concerns about its sustainability and human rights impact. The line is projected to have a carbon footprint equivalent to over 4 times the UK's annual emissions. This is due to the massive amount of energy required to construct and operate the city. The city's developers have pledged to use renewable energy sources, but some experts question whether this will be enough to offset the city's carbon emissions. The line is being built in a region that has a history of human rights abuses. The Saudi government has been accused of forcibly displacing indigenous people to make way for the Neom project. There have also been reports of labor rights abuses on the construction site. The line is a controversial project, but it has the potential to revolutionize urban living. The city's innovative design and focus on sustainability and well-being make it a vision for the future. However, the city's developers need to address the concerns about sustainability and human rights to ensure that the line is a success. We now take a look at progress on the next major development, which is Trojena, an insane luxury outdoor winter and skiing destination in the middle of a vast mountainous desert. Though similar in scale and absurdity as the rest of the other projects in Neom, one thing sets it apart from the others. Saudi Arabia actually has to completely finish building it in just 6 years. The reason? The upcoming Asian Winter Games in 2029. After a successful bid just last year, the kingdom was awarded the rights to host the prestigious event. The project was first announced by the Crown Prince back in 2022, just a few months before the country's successful bid for the Winter Games. Located some 50 kilometers from the Red Sea coast, Trojena is situated within one of the country's highest mountain ranges. Ever since the project was first unveiled to the public, there has been some steady progress towards its construction. Over the past year, much of the work done on Trojena is the actual excavation process around the mountains to make way for its many developments. A total of 1.6 million cubic meters of material has already been excavated on the site for the creation of a giant man-made lake at the center of the project. Progress on an area known as the Vault is also well underway. This is Trojena's vertical village, which will be dug out from the surrounding mountains. According to the project's executive director, more than 1 million cubic tons of material have already been excavated from the mountains. Foundation work on the future ski village has also been in progress over the past year. Back in November 2022, one of the largest luxury hospitality and lifestyle brands in the world, Ennismore, signed a partnership with Trojena. They aim to build 2 of their luxury hotels within the project's upcoming ski village. International hotel operator Minor Hotels have also announced their plans to open their own 5-star resort in the ski village. As it stands today, the plans for the construction seem to be very well underway, and with considerable progress in just the span of a year, Saudi Arabia seems to be committed to their very short 2029 timeline. But despite this commitment to their deadline, there are still a lot of questions that are left unanswered. One of the greatest criticisms against Trojena is the feasibility of maintaining a winter destination in such an environment. Although temperatures in the mountains can reach below freezing, snowfall is still a rare occurrence. To have enough snow for a functioning ski resort, this project would have to rely solely on artificial snow machines, which require a lot of water and electricity to operate. All of this starts to sound even more challenging when you add the fact that seawater all the way from the Red Sea will be used for it. Not only do they have to transport all this water over great distances and elevation, they also have to desalinate it first. Now let's delve into Sindalah, another remarkable project. The exciting news is that Sindalah was first unveiled in December of the previous year, and it is slated to be the inaugural project to open with Neom. Developers have set their sights on welcoming the island's very first guest as early as 2024. The success of Sindalah carries profound significance for the broader Neom initiative, as its imminent opening will provide the public with the initial glimpse into the future envisioned for this groundbreaking city. Construction on Sindalah is well underway, with satellite images from Google Maps depicting significant progress. Roads have been laid, and the fundamental layout of the buildings and foundations have been established. Some structures around the island's marina are near completion, and the groundwork for the planned golf course has been initiated. Marriott International, with agreements already in place to launch 3 luxury hotels in Sindalah, expresses confidence in meeting the 2024 opening deadline. To the northeast of the island, an entire community dedicated to supporting the project's development has been established. Now let's turn our attention towards Oxygon. Oxygon is a floating industrial port city being built in the Red Sea off the coast of Saudi Arabia. It is one of the 10 regions of Neom, a vast megacity that is being developed as part of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 plan. Oxygon is designed to be a sustainable and innovative city. It will be powered entirely by renewable energy and will use advanced technologies to reduce its environmental impact. The city will also be home to a variety of emerging industries such as green energy, robotics, and artificial intelligence. Construction on Oxygon began in 2022, and some infrastructure has already been built. A new port is being constructed, and a number of buildings have been erected. A community of residents has also been established. However, progress on Oxygon appears to be slower than on other Neom projects. This is likely due to the complexity of the project, as well as the challenges of building a city on water. Despite the challenges, Oxygon remains an ambitious and exciting project. It has the potential to be a major hub for trade and commerce, and it could help Saudi Arabia to diversify its economy. With a substantial investment of $2 billion, Saudi Arabia has ambitious plans to inaugurate the port's first terminal by 2025. Beyond industry, Oxygon will evolve into a self-sustaining city, complete with dedicated residential, entertainment, leisure, and tourist districts. Notable companies such as IHG Hotels and Resorts, Curtin Hospitality, and Yotel are looking to expand their business through this ambitious project. These developments are expected to open between 2025 and 2026 in the city's inaugural residential community. While information regarding Oxygon construction remains relatively scarce, some infrastructure near the port has taken shape. It's worth noting that a portion of these structures belongs to the older port, which has since been transferred and renamed to the south. An Oxygon community has been established, mirroring the model adopted around the line and Sindalah. Compared to the other Neom projects, Oxygon appears to have made the least progress. Nevertheless, as we've witnessed thus far, Saudi Arabia is demonstrating unwavering commitment to transforming these ambitious plans into tangible reality. The future holds the key to revealing how these grand visions will materialize. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. I'll see you all in the next one.